Hello guys, welcome back to DataNet. This will be episode 11 and today I'm finally going to be fixing that engine issue. It really does feel bad having to spend a lot of money just on maintenance instead of buying something new that will enhance the way the car looks. But I mean, that's part of owning a car. You always need to keep up with maintenance. At this part, we were just starting with the engine rebuild. There is my mechanic working on the car, and later on we'll be helping him to remove the engine. It was quite an intense labor process, but yeah, someone has to pull the engine out, and yeah, we literally just removed this engine using our own hands. No tools were used, just hands. The engine is now out. Now all what is remaining is we needed to strip the engine apart, so that is what we are going to do now.
Too much.
This what we just discovered here is exactly what was causing the knocking sound, and
Number 4 is the problem.
we ended up finding out that it was that crankshaft number 4, and then the ring itself it was somehow just dead, and then it also affected the conrod, and that is what was causing the knocking sound on the car. At this part we just had to take the engine parts for a wash because they were very dirty, and we couldn't really risk putting them back in the car like that, so we at least had to wash them up a bit, and it might not look as clean, but trust me, it was worth the wash. So we decided to just buy a new crankshaft, and we bought one piston with its conrod so that we don't have to use the other one which was damaged. But yeah, now we are just putting the engine back together and soon to be mounted in the car. At the time of the engine being installed back, I was not there, so by the time I came there, the guys were already done, and yeah, I couldn't really film it, but yeah, at least there was progress, and that makes me happy.
Kupata wapi tiro kuna profila ya kurukuti.
At this moment you will feel like we are almost there, and somehow we are just not getting there, but you can't wait to see that engine start. So yeah, the guys were pushing, they were pushing. Here he was testing if the pistons can freely turn before really starting the car, which really makes a lot of sense. And now, yeah, we are getting there. The top is put back on the car. Most of the parts are now being installed. So, yeah. And if you are there and you are not the mechanic, you always feel like, gosh, these things are not going to make my car work. But yeah, other than that, we are already putting in engine oil here. And yeah, at this moment I was like, we are almost there. Andi muwerere ne. Mushishi. So that is it for DataNet episode 11. At the moment, I'm currently super tired, and yeah, there will be a part 2 coming out very soon. So please stay tuned for that to see what exactly has happened, because after that, yeah, a lot happened. So at the moment, I just came from a trip and I'm super tired, and this video should be updated. And yeah, this is me just some few minutes before completing this video.